You don't know what that is?
That's that wrestler that rubbed his booty in everybody's face. What's up?
H2BTV. I know you see we.
See me.
See me.
What was that? And what was that laugh?
Oh.
Now we gonna do it over and you gonna do it right. Cause I don't know what that was. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
H2BTV. I know you see we.
See me.
See me. Let's get it.
Don't drink no more of my drink. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna be doing a Burger King mukbang. It kind of hurts my heart a little bit to say this because we don't really eat fast food, but
we said that last time. But we don't eat fast food.
We really don't.
But the fast food restaurants got like the stuff that we want to do like for y'all to see, like interesting, like burger, like the one we did, the KFC Cheetos.
Yeah, Burger King just came out with a new taco.
Burger King forget new taco. They have tacos.
They have
Burger King has tacos.
This video is gonna be about us trying the new tacos in Burger King. If y'all wanna personally get to know us type of thing, like who Brandy is, me, and who Herb is.
The real deal Holyfield, and I don't bite off ears.
What? What?
Cause Mike Tyson.
Did you just come up with that right now?
Dang right, I just came up with that right now.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go over everything.
I ain't just come up with the real deal Holyfield part, but
obviously.
French fries.
So we got a small fry. This is what the top. Let me see them things.
Oh, it smells just like a taco. Got 3 of them things. They was only $1.
We got some mozzarella.
They got sauce
sticks.
in it too.
I got my medium size. Yes, I said medium size raspberry tea.
And I got that thing right here. You know how when the fast food restaurants be like, oh, can you pull to the side and we're gonna bring you the rest of your food or whatever they finna do. He brought me my drink. I see him in the window like, I was supposed to bring this one right here. Like, bruh, if anything, be cautious with my drink. Cover it up. Make sure no flies or nothing get in it. Do all them things.
So it's a little thin.
Hold on. You eating, but she ain't even praying.
You ain't praying neither.
I ain't eating nothing. I tried to, but it ain't coming. Nah, let me pray. I'm gonna pray out loud. Let me pray out loud. You want me to pray out loud?
Hun, I want to at least finish off my prayer. Go ahead.
Alright, nah, I'm just playing.
Amen. I'm done, y'all.
Yeah, we back.
Oh my gosh, hun.
What happened? Oh, you trying to block me?
I'm trying to focus it in. Okay. It's a very thin taco.
That's why it's a buck.
It's kind of greasy. I'm going to just pat it.
Hard.
So, Burger King is the first place that sells mozzarella sticks that don't give marinara sauce with the mozzarella sticks.
Eat that nasty taco.
It wasn't even nasty.
Alright, it wasn't nasty.
It really wasn't. It was kind of.
And then it's Burger King. Kudos to Burger King with the tacos.
They did their thing right there. So if y'all didn't know, and y'all are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Comment down below.
Hey, this just
who
stupid.
We are. I'm the girlfriend of this dynamic duo, and I call all the shots. I'm in charge.
I don't know how. If I'm a Van Holyfield when he fought Mike Tyson, other than that, I ain't him no more.
I'm the chief. I'm in charge. I make the big boy decisions. I'm just playing, y'all. We make decisions together. We both big boys.
You a big boy?
I'm a big boy.
How big are you, boy?
Real big.
Who you think you is, Manny Fred? Real big. All this junk doing is getting stuck to my teeth, bruh. Like I said, oh, we don't got no more Twix pie. I said, shake, milkshake. Milkshake. I ain't say nothing about no pie. And she said, oh no, we don't got no more. We only got apple pie and caramel pie.
That's where I heard the apple from. I thought she had an apple sundae. I was about to be like, oh, you didn't hear me say,
yeah, I heard you.
Can I get apple sundae?
I heard you. I'm about to get that too.
Like,
come and give The Rock some of that sweet poontang pie. You don't know what that is?
That's that wrestler that rub his booty in everybody's face.
What? No. I said The Rock. You know who The Rock is. Who is The Rock?
Dwayne Wade.
Say what?
I'm playing. It's
Dwayne Wade.
It's Dwayne Johnson.
Yeah, you better get it right. You better tighten up. You don't try to nail one of them, my girl. I'll beat you up.
You gonna beat me up for Dwayne Wade or Dwayne Johnson?
Mm-hmm. Dwayne Wade, Miami Heat.
And Dwayne Wade right at the bottom of every...
You know. Dwayne Johnson, Miami Hurricanes. You know.
Number 94, Dwayne Johnson.
Thank goodness we got that tea.
Thank goodness we got my tea.
So, listen here. So, what you about to order for the drink? Do they have juice? What you about to get?
I was gonna get juice.
So, this girl been, ever since I met this girl, she talking about some, oh my gosh, hon, you know I don't drink Hawaii. You know I don't drink fruit punch.
I hate fruit punch. Ooh, shower me.
But ever since I met this girl, talking about some, hon, you know I don't drink fruit punch.
I don't drink fruit
I
punch.
hate fruit punch. Hey, what? Who don't like fruit punch?
Not me.
All the flavors in one, and it's red. Like one of the best colors in the world.
My mom used to buy Hawaiian fruit punch way too much when I was a child. So when I got older, hated it.
But she said she want to drink.
If I have nothing else to drink and I don't want water, then yeah, I might drink it.
You hate it? Don't drink it.
But I do hate it.
You must be hate water more than Hawaiian punch. I mean fruit punch. You sure enough was tearing that Hawaiian fruit punch up at your sister's house?
I wasn't tearing it
You
up.
was tearing that junk up.
I wasn't.
Yeah, you was.
I poured 1 cup.
So look, check me out. Look. So we ain't go to Dollar General and get some stuff in a corn and get a Hawaiian punch. You got a Hawaiian punch, right? If you wanted something, you said you don't drink fruit punch. But your behind sure enough was feeling like you had got one. You said this all I'm drinking. Got another one. But you had
He's
more.
lying.
You had about three, about two, three,
You're
four.
really lying.
All right, let me start acting stupid. But you had about 3.
No, I didn't.
And I drunk one of them. Like when you filled it up, you said you were just gonna drink it. I was looking at you like I ain't say no. I was like, I this girl said, I know this girl say she don't drink fruit punch now.
I don't, but I just really wanted juice, like, and there was no other juice.
You hate it. You can't drink it. That's the rules.
What rules?
The rules are hard.
When I hate something, I still try to eat it to see if I still hate it.
No, you don't.
That sounds
No, you
weird,
don't.
y'all. Yes, I do. Because I was eating tomatoes the other day, and I hate tomatoes.
I was just about to say that. You don't be eating tomato. Where you was
Yes,
at?
I did.
You must be by yourself.
You seen that I've been eating tomatoes and sandwiches.
Hold on. You was at home when you were trying to eat them tomatoes?
No.
Where you was at? You wasn't with me? Don't make me knock that fake NWA hat off your head.
Whatever.
So you was eating.
I ate one when I was in my salad at home. I ate another one in a sandwich
You ate
with
the whole
you.
thing?
Wait
a minute.
Them tomatoes was killing me.
So
I hated eating
when we
them.
went and got the lunch special from the Jamaican restaurant.
I didn't eat the tomato that time because I figured I'd be eating it so much.
Oh my goodness! See how I knew she came up with a good story. She quick on her feet, boy.
I came up with a good story because it's the truth. It's not a story.
Come on now, man.
Here, you
That
got
ain't the
this
truth.
mozzarella stick.
Man, I ain't got no dipping. Hey, yeah, I gotta stretch my leg out. I'm cramping up. I'm cramping up. No, they only need to see that part right there. They can see us. They can see us.
They can't see me.
They can see you. What are you talking about? They looking dead at. Stop tickling me now.
Take your foot
I'm
down.
eating. Don't tickle me. You gonna look? I'm gonna drink.
Move your foot, man. He annoying, y'all.
Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
So,
Hey, do it. Let me see you do it.
ah ha.
Bro, don't ever try to do that again.
Ah ha. Who do it better, y'all? Who do it? Who do it better
Man, Darts laugh.
between me and you? Only reason why I sound like you do it better is because you a boy.
Get out of my laboratory, DD.
Come on, man.
DD, get out of here. Get out of here, DD. DD, get out of my laboratory. I used to be like, bruh, I'm like, he a little scientist, but this little scientist cannot read, bro. Why you keep saying bro, I'm like, why you keep saying laboratory? Like, I used to think that was like a funny cartoon or something. Like, alright, what's wrong? Bro, the whole time I'm like, why does Jake keep saying laboratory?
I just thought he had an accent when he said that.
Nah,
When I was little.
I ain't think nothing about no accent, because first of all, his mama had an American accent, his daddy had an American accent, and DD had an American accent.
I don't know.
I'm like, bro, this Jit cannot read. What's wrong with you? Why you saying laboratory? I got older and realized it's laboratory. Laboratory. Hey, them taco, that Burger King. I ain't saying it was nasty, but it wasn't better than the Cheetos. Straight up.
Y'all be the judge. Go to your nearest KFC and get the chicken sandwich with Cheetos.
The Cheetos chicken sandwich.
And that's if they did discontinue it. I don't think they have. I think it's still going. Also, go to your nearest Burger King and try their taco and let us know which one's better. Which one y'all think is better? Cheeto sandwich or taco? Anyways, this is H2BTV and we what?
Signing off. Let's get out of here because I'm heavy-eyed up in here. I'm tired. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Put it in slow-mo, no fast-mo.
Good night, y'all. Bye.